So next up we'll be doing a matcha toast. Matcha is an especially fun ingredient to cook with because unlike the other teas, you have to steep it and remove it, but with matcha you just mix it directly into whatever product you're using it with. So first we'll start with a loaf of bread. We're going to do thick slices, maybe about 1 inch across here. And then after you're done slicing, pop a few slices. I always like to take the big, nice center ones into the toaster. While the bread's toasting, we're going to make the matcha sugar. For the sugar, make sure you get super fine sugar, which you can find any supermarket. And of course, for the tea, you'll want to use Mighty Leaf's ceremonial matcha. Depending on how strong you want the green on your toast or how intense you want the matcha flavor, you can change up your proportion. So there's no hard and fast rule for this. Sift it into the sugar. Like this. Okay. And then you just put the sugar on top. I actually like to sift it back on. And so it's just like your classic butter sugar toast, except with a hint of matcha.